You're not going to believe this. After 2 years, here we go. Our records show that you registered a Philips Respironics DreamStation Go CPAP device. There are 2 options for remediation that are now available to you. You must select one. Option 1, financial payment for return of affected units. You can select the financial payment option below to receive $500 based on the manufacturing date of your affected device. They're offering $500 now. 2 years later. 2 years later, they come out after slapping you all in the face with the $20 check that took 6 months to arrive. And now they're giving out $500. What an absolute joke. It's an absolute disgrace. $500. You can buy a brand new AirSense 10 card to cloud for $500. They're offering this right now. Unbelievable. Option 2, elect to receive a replacement device. Well, he's been waiting 2 years. Who on earth would wait longer? Just take the $500 and be gone. What's my advice? Geez, I don't know. They're giving out $500 now, which is what it should have been from the start.